Hello everyone, and I hope you enjoyed my last video. Well, I was flicking through a textbook and I saw this interesting looking formula for the acceleration due to gravity. It went like this: G, the acceleration due to gravity, is equal to 8h all over ta squared take away tb squared. What do the symbols mean? Well, let's start with TA. Suppose I have a ball and I throw the ball upwards and I start timing the instant the ball leaves my hand and I stop timing the instant the ball arrives at my hand. That is time TA. Now at some other point in the same journey, a height h above my hand, call that position B, I start timing from the point the ball leaves position B and arrives back at position B on the way down. That time is called time TB, and the h is the height B is above my hand. Those are what the symbols mean. So if I work out all those, put them into the formula, I shall have the acceleration due to gravity. So let's first derive the formula then. Not too difficult thing to do. Well, this is a vertical problem in motion. Therefore we need the equations of motion in vertical form. And the two that will get us to where we're going is s is equal to ut plus 1/2 at squared and v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as, where the symbols have their normal meaning. One thing you have to note here, that if a ball leaves my hand at position A and arrives back at my hand, position A, the vertical displacement is equal to 0, and we can use that fact to get an expression in terms of TA and TB. Then, if we want to find how to eliminate the velocities that will also be in that expression, we can use v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Make the appropriate substitution and you will get the formula we're looking for. I'll leave the final detail of that to yourselves, but it's not too difficult thing to do. Now this is quite a difficult activity to do unless you have technology to aid us. And the technology I had was a digital camera that could take images 60 times per second and also had a photo editor. So what I did was this: I stuck a ruler onto the wall and I dropped the ball, and the ball rose and the ball fell, and that's the segment of the film that I chose to analyse. I transferred that film to my photo editor and I could look through the film frame by frame by frame. This allowed me to see the position of the ball every 60th of a second, and that's all the information I needed. That's all the information I needed to use this formula. In fact, the way I did it, I looked at the ball at 6 different positions, and that allowed me to use the formula for 15 different heights and 15 different time intervals, as you shall see. Now at the very end of the video, at the very end of this wee animation here, I've discussed the n-choose-r formula. You may find that interesting, and it adds a wee bit more interest to this video here, but it's got no real relevance to finding G.